Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, I have a really new product that is probably not even out yet. Probably by the time you guys are watching this video, the product will probably be out by now, but pretty much what I have here is a brand new headphone that's by the brand by COWIN. And this time they have a brand new headphone that's the E9 Active Noise Cancellation Wireless Headphone. And I already tested it out, but let me actually do a little unboxing to show you what comes inside the package first. So when you open the package, this is what you get inside. So we have a thank you card as usual. They have a user manual, user guide on how to use the product and everything that's on here. They have a little owner's guide, which is pretty cool. They have a little donation card, so every time you use a product or do a selfie or something, then they get $1 donated to this charity and fund, which is really cool. And then right here is a little thank you or giveaway card if you guys want to get some giveaway stuff. And then here we have the actual product itself. And yes, you guys might be surprised as how much I was surprised when I first got this. It's so small. You guys can see this little box or this little package right here, or the container to hold the headphone itself. It's so small. It's even smaller than my head. That's amazing. So I think out of all the headphones that I've ever got or tested or used from COWIN, this one is one of the smallest one. So let me unzip it and show you what comes inside the package. So when you open the package itself, you have the headphone in there, but they provide you this little baggie that has all the accessories like the auxiliary cord and all the different plugs, which I'll show you that first. So when we take everything out, this is what you get inside the bag. So you have this accessory right here that is pretty much the same as all the other headphones that they provide you. They provide you a micro USB to USB cable to charge the product. They provide you this little plug where you can actually use it in the airport or certain airlines. And then last but not least, right here is their auxiliary cord. But here we have the actual product itself. So the headphone itself is actually pretty small. It's kind of the same design as the COWIN SE7. This one is a little bit different. So if you guys look at the headphone itself, it pretty much goes around your ear and kind of like puts your ear in here, so it kind of cancels out the noise even more than the COWIN SE7. So here we have a very nice soft like material to put over the head when you guys are putting like that. This one's definitely softer than any of the COWIN headphones so far. When you guys look right here, when I pull it out, they actually have a measurement to show you guys how much is being pulled out from each side, so you guys actually know where it's at, so that way one side is not longer or shorter than the other side. And then when you look on this side, you guys can see right here on the left side of the headphone, they have a little charging slot. Right there is a micro USB to charge that. And then this is a light indicator to let you guys know when it's fully charged or it's charging or not charging. If we look on this other side right here, we have a active noise cancellation button that you can activate or turn off, play and pause button, volume up, volume down buttons right here. Right here we have an aux slot where you can plug it in to use on your computer or any smartphone devices that still has aux cord slot. And obviously this is twistable to like this direction, and then if you guys want to fold it up, you guys can fold it up as well, so you can bring it to traveling, which is really nice. So that's pretty much everything that's on the headphone itself. Now let's talk about the product itself and all the different functionalities and features and what's better about this than all the other headphones. So design wise, you can see it's a little bit different over how it sticks out like that. Protein pad right here is actually feeling better than a lot of other headphones that they have. I would still have to say that the SE7 is probably one of the best and most comfortable headphones out there from COWIN. But when it comes to the audio, the bass, and the active noise cancellation for all the COWIN headphones compared to this one is definitely the best one of the best so far out of all the ones that they have made. These are definitely the best one right now for the audio, the bass, and also the active noise cancellation technology. But then if you guys talk about comfort, I would still have to give it to the SE7 for the best comfort right now for the COWIN brand, because their design of the padding right here is similar to like the Bose headphones, which are really comfortable and probably one of the most comfortable headphones out there. So I'm just gonna put this on right now to show you guys what it looks like first. So when you guys put it on, this is what it kind of looks like. So that's what it looks like on this side. That's what it looks like on this side, and this is what it looks like from the front. So now let's talk about how long they last. For me, I haven't fully tested this out yet, so I can't really confirm this yet. So I'll probably do an update video to let you guys know whether or not this is true or not. But based off what they're saying, these headphones will last up to 30 hours. So obviously that's more than enough for a lot of normal people who use headphones, because when you guys use it for one whole day or something, you guys can just leave it charging and then go about your day again and use it for another 30 hours. But pretty much, long story short, to answer the question of whether or not these headphones are worth it or not, for me, honestly, I have to say that it's a little bit pricey, because it's probably gonna be around $170 based on what they told me. but what you're getting out of this headphone is definitely worth it for that price range. You get the comfort, the amazing audio, amazing bass, even better active noise cancellation technology than any of their headphones that they have made so far. But obviously, no, if you guys don't need this, or you guys are in the price range way below 170 or below 150, 100, then this one is definitely not the headphone for you guys because it's way too expensive. If you guys are more on the budget side, then definitely go for the COWIN SE7 because that headphone is pretty much similar to a Bose headphone. It has really good audio, really good bass. Comfort-wise, it's definitely the best ones out of COWIN's headphones so far, in my opinion. And then the active noise cancellation is definitely not as good as this one, but then it is good for what you can get out of the price range and whatnot for the COWIN SE7. But other than that, that's pretty much it for the little unboxing, testing, and feedback about this product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have